Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller to your PC. First, ensure your computer has Bluetooth. Most modern laptops include it, but desktops might need an adapter. Next, fully charge your controller. A full charge ensures uninterrupted setup. Finally, power down your PlayStation 5 console to avoid any signal interference during the pairing process. This simple preparation makes the connection smooth. Now, let's put your DualSense controller into pairing mode. Locate the PlayStation button, which is the central button with the logo, and the small Create button, usually near the left stick. Press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them until you see the light bar on your controller begin to flash blue very rapidly. This quick flashing indicates it's ready to connect. With your controller in pairing mode, it's time to connect it to your PC. On your computer, navigate to your Bluetooth and other devices settings. From there, click on the option to add Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth from the choices presented. You should then see Wireless Controller appear in the list of available devices. Click on it to complete the pairing. You might get a confirmation prompt. Congratulations! Your PlayStation 5 controller should now be connected. To ensure everything is working perfectly, open a game that supports controllers or a dedicated controller testing application. Check that all the buttons, triggers, and analog sticks are responding as expected. You can now enjoy your favorite PC games with the comfortable and immersive DualSense controller, bringing a new level of precision and feedback to your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.